Okay, hello ladies and gents. This is going to be a short video. This is a press conference. I'm not going to talk. Just going to do a short drive, and hopefully this will come and test eventually. So I'm going to do then detail review, impressions, and so on. Standard stuff. I might do like just quick impressions, but let's just head out and take it for a spin here. Okay, so I'm a press conference in Slovenia. This is both for Croatia and Slovenia. So I don't know the roads. I'm not here at home. This is going to be annoying for the eye monitor system here because I have a camera. So let's just do a quick drive and impressions. First time driving in a van. I've driven vans before. Cargo and passenger. First time driving an electric one. I gotta say it's pretty nice. Nice and quiet, nice and smooth drive. One thing I can say that this is the best EV passenger and cargo van regarding range. If you go to a better route planner, definitely the cargo version has actually made a Guinness record regarding, this is just a little acceleration here, pretty nice. The cargo van has made a Guinness record in range with full cargo, so even for the passenger this would be pretty nice. Kia and Hyundai have pretty good EVs in general. Very nice, good consumption, good quality and everything else. So this is probably the best thing you can buy. There's another one here. There's again press day, so you can see how it looks. The bottom, at the top here, you can see daytime running lights. The bottom are headlights. So, but again, very nice EV. I'm gonna be a little bit quiet now. I won't be going to the highway, FYI. I would say that the overview is pretty good. Up to 90, really good soundproof in the car as well. There is a recuperation. You can increase it to level 3 or from 0 to 3. So you can drive then one pedal. So I'll be heading back since I really don't know these roads that good. I've passed through here maybe a few times. Driving modes, you have snow, eco, and normal. Eco will give you a little bit more range. Also, if you switch off the AC, you can play with these recuperation paddles, you know, and just slow down just by using them. Let's see if it will come to a full stop. No. But you have here auto hold, which is now engaged, so I can lift my foot off. Unfortunately, I never got to test the ID buzz, although I did make a interior review of the ID buzz, but I think for this car that might be the only decent competitor, but I feel like this is better. I haven't driven it, unfortunately, but this infotainment looks better than the one that was in Volkswagen. It was a bit buggy at first, to be honest, so I'm sure they fixed that by now. Suspension, this is a nice mild speed bump, but it's decent. The road here is pretty good, so I really can't say is it good or not on bad roads. But I believe there was a 16-inch tires on the cargo version. I saw maybe this one's the same, so it should have plenty of tires, so nice comfort. One of the cool features this van has vehicle to load. So if you're going camping, you should be able to charge, you know, some appliances if you want to like cook or kettle for boiling the water and so on. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Enjoy the rest of the video. Back to the parking lot. Now there's the cargo version. Also want to know that it handles the bends very nicely since it has a battery and a low center of gravity. Definitely has an advantage compared to the ICE vans. I haven't tested the brakes since I'm using the recuperation. I'm gonna kick it to 0 and do a light brake check. You can see here different colors. Okay, I can't really test the brakes, but I think there should be solid. That was a quick point of view driving. Thank you for watching. And just to quickly run through the infotainment, you have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Speakers should be decent, I think. Actually, wait, this is the home button. Have here apps, radio. So. Yeah, and there's here 360 cameras. So this one has you in for the trailer, I believe. You can see the model there. AC menu, heated seats. Have to tap on the top. Heated steering wheel. I think this is probably the new infotainment. It looks so far the best. It doesn't have that Kia menu and home menu with the maps, with a clock and a map. So this looks far better. There are some shortcuts here. I'm just doing this like a early review as well. And EV range here, you can see here consumption data and so on. And just to wrap it up here, we have the car settings. So there's plenty of menus. Yeah, so this is in Slovenian, but I'm gonna wrap it here. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Charge port is on the front.